In 1997, Intel was one of the most powerful companies on Earth. Its processors sat inside the machines running offices, banks, governments, universities, and homes. The words Intel Inside had become more than an advertising slogan. They were a symbol of the personal computer age. Intel did not simply participate in that era, it defined it. But less than 3 decades later, the company that once controlled the future of computing was watching that future being built somewhere else. Smartphones ran on a different architecture. Advanced processors were increasingly manufactured in Taiwan. Artificial intelligence was being powered by NVIDIA, and some of Intel's most dangerous competitors no longer owned factories at all. By 2024, Intel was cutting thousands of jobs, reporting historic losses, and replacing the chief executive who had promised to restore its technological leadership. Then something extraordinary happened. The United States government invested billions of dollars directly into the company. New factories became a matter of national security, and in 2026, Intel suddenly reported its fastest revenue growth in years. The company everyone had written off was showing signs of life. But this is not only the story of a comeback, it is the story of how one of the greatest technology empires in American history lost the future it helped create, and why the United States may now need Intel more than ever. The world before Intel. Before Silicon Valley became synonymous with software, it was built around silicon. In the 1960s, computers were enormous, expensive machines. Processing power came from systems assembled with large numbers of separate electronic components. The possibility of placing more and more functions onto a small piece of silicon was beginning to transform the industry. 2 engineers stood near the center of that transformation. Robert Noyce had helped invent the integrated circuit. Gordon Moore had become famous for observing that the number of components placed on a chip appeared to be increasing at a remarkably predictable rate. In 1968, Noyce and Moore founded a new company. Its name was derived from Integrated Electronics, Intel. The original business was memory, but only